So we all welcome you, and why don't I recognize you before I get started? So we have many esteemed guests for today, and ASEAN Secretariat, why don't you stand up and then recognize? At the project workshop last year, local consultants have briefed on MSMEs characteristics in each AMS.
In this ASEAN 2024, they highlight the role of MSME.
More workshops that will be initiated by ASEAN on innovation, e-commerce, women's empowerment, sustainability, and more. Useful features including taxes and tariffs that apply for what, where, and when.
Training process, but not on digital.
And leveraging on the partnerships.
So in SEA, we do have a chapter on this.
Sustainability development.
This is not about the logistics, it's about the workshop. We have presented your proposals.
Feedback I can give is really
We empower from the first again. I think we are from the most diverse.
Really not only just training them, but also we have to develop our program.
As a president of the Sookmyung Women's University, I think it's very important we have this kind of the program, the projects. So the ASEAN countries, the people are so important to Sookmyung and working together for a better future.
So we expect our close collaboration between local consultants and the implementing institutions. Every country in the ASEAN region, right?
If we provide capacity building opportunities like the Action Plan Workshop and the AP-WINC by digitalization of women entrepreneurs, they truly will be able to contribute to the economic growth and development of any country or any member state in ASEAN.
So capacity building for women entrepreneurs, that is very important to bring the knowledge and the opportunity to help them to grow, to support on the economic development in Asian countries.
And I can see this workshop is very helpful for us to get to know each other, to bring the challenges from different countries. I think this is the right time that all women has to go to this training and get the mentorship, how to promote their own business. Women is the backbone of the economy.
안녕하세요. I am 정인 Cho. I am the Executive Director for the AP-WINC, Asia Pacific Women's Network Center. IDEA's project is to foster 4,002 women entrepreneurs in the ASEAN. This is the multi-year project based on $5 million. And we truly believe that if you can change women, then we can change the entire country.
So, after hearing all of this, why not investing in women?
Investing
in women
for women
It's the widest investment.
ideas.
Ideas.